This is Sean. He wanted to make a moving model plane. To do this, he needed to know how to get the plane to move. He remembered hearing about the 3 laws of motion, so he started to look into those. The first law deals with inertia. Inertia states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. So Sean knew he needed to get the plane going so it can continue to go, otherwise it would continue to sit in the same spot. The second law states a force to be equal to the change in momentum with the change in time. Momentum is defined to be the mass of an object times its velocity. Velocity is the speed of something in a given direction. There also needs to be a net force higher than 0. The net force is the sum of all forces acting on an object. It is capable of accelerating a mass. Sean realized if the net force is 0 on the plane, then the plane will remain at a constant velocity. Constant velocity means the object is moving in a straight line or constant speed. In this case, it would remain still. Sean got a scale and weighed the plane to figure out all of these calculations. For an external applied force, the change in velocity depends on the mass of the object. A force will cause a change in velocity, and likewise a change in velocity will generate a force. The equation works both ways. He was almost there. He was so close to making that plane move. The third law states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts a force on object A. The way he thought about this to himself was if there was air rushing down out of a balloon, then the balloon would react by going up. Sean used all of this information to create a plane that could fly high and soar.